Hello there, Cypress enthusiasts, and welcome to the channel. Have you ever wondered um, if you can get more control over your code? When you're doing code, you find issues that you were not really expecting, and you would really like to have the power to, let's say, just stop the code. Now, Cypress does offer time travel, which allows you to spring back and forth. But did you know that there's an even more powerful way to control the flow? Let me show you. If we go to our editor and we just add this command ci.pause, this will actually pause our test. Let's see it in action. So we have here a test, and when we will run the test, we will see that Cypress now stopped. And we have now the possibility to see each action one step at a time. So it's like debugging with a little bit, let's say, control. We can either run each step of our tests one at a time and then see what's happening in the application. So we have full control, or we can just say resume from this step. And as you can see, our test passes in the end, but it seems to have a logic issue regarding one assertion. Now, besides the possibility to actually pause at a specific part, we can actually pause after an action. So we just integrate pause into our code, and then we see a similar effect. So we're not clicking the button, everything is filled, and now if we want to click the button, we can just control it as we did before. So we have again the two options. Either we say resume or we go one step at a time. And test passes. And there you have it. This was how you can actually control your time. Have a look, use it. As always, do not forget to rest, then test, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one and bye bye.